Tom here from Mr. Poolman. Today we're going to be talking to you about the cartridge filter elements available at mrpoolman.com.au. So I'm guessing that you guys have a cartridge filter or of the like, and your pool's probably not looking 100%. What we commonly find with cartridge filters is that deep inside the actual bed of the filter element itself, in what we call the pleats here, over time these will progressively clog. That can be a cause of dry chemicals. Dry chemicals byproduct is calcium, or a form of calcium. No matter which way you look at it, that over time will clog these. We commonly recommend that people take their cartridge out ideally once a month would be great. We know that a lot of people don't, even if it's once a quarter. Give the cartridge a good clean. Remove a majority of the debris out of the cartridge itself. We do sell a cartridge filter cleaner, which is available on our website. Once the filter is clean, soak the cartridge overnight with the cartridge filter cleaner. I'd give it approximately 24 hours. Clean the element again, just to rinse out any sort of now finer or looser debris that's been dislodged from the cartridge filter cleaner, and then put it back in your tank. A common question we get at Mr. Poolman is, what size cartridge filter do I need? The three main measurements that we take is the length, and that's the overall length on either end of the cartridge filter, which is approximately 5 mil either end. So all that will give you an extra 10 mil in length. And the way you measure a cartridge filter element is simple tape measure, straight through the middle. And you want to take that measurement through the internal hole of the cartridge filter. And that will also include obviously the two raised lips on either end. And then from there you get your overall length. And then obviously your hole diameter. So measure the internal diameter of the hole. And then what that's going to do is give you the three measurements that we then need. We do have size charts on our website on mrpoolman.com.au. Alternatively, drop us an email. We're more than happy to help. We can point you in the right direction. What also can help us if we're not sure of the measurements or there's a discrepancy there, we can get photographs. If you guys can send a photo of your current cartridge filter as it is, not so much the element, more the tank that it goes in, that will give us an understanding with what we're working with, and then we can shoot you back the link to the right cartridge element that you may need. Thank you for joining us on this overview of cartridge filter elements. I'm Tom, and happy swimming.